need to tell you something. You know that girl that came round like a few weeks ago?
Yeah.
And she slept round for the night?
Yeah.
We did have sex, and I only found out a few days ago that she's pregnant.
You're an arsehole.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's me, Martin Rizzo. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Yeah. So there's this funny video online on YouTube about this guy who sets up this camera to tell his mom that he got a girl pregnant. And like, mom, I got the girl pregnant. But yeah, that's what they sound. They sound like those people from the movie Mary Poppins, you know? Hello. And then, like, you know what the mom does? When he tells his mom that he got a girl pregnant, she laughs at him. She's like, you an asshole. 3 times. And like that's what she does, you know? Like she laughs like either like she doesn't believe that he can get laid, or that he's into girls, or that he's into girls, you know? Like she laughs. It is funny. Let's check out the video.
I need to tell you something. You know that girl that came round like a few weeks ago?
Yeah.
And she slept round for the night?
Yeah.
We did have sex, and I only found out a few days ago that she's pregnant.
You're an arsehole.
Yeah, man. What if he did get a girl pregnant? That would suck if she doesn't believe him. No, but mom, for reals, I need your help. I don't believe you. You an asshole. That sounded Asian. That sounded so Asian. Wrong accent. I'm bad at accents. I swear. Like, this is my impression of me talking to my mom on the phone. Hey, mom, what's up? Hey, what's up, son? I love you. I love you too, mom. I love you too, son. But yeah, guys. And this comes to the conclusion of wear condoms. You gotta wear condoms. It sucks. I remember when I thought I got a girl pregnant, it was scary because she was late for 2 weeks. That's like 2 weeks, man. And I remember I was praying to God every night. I was like, God, I swear she gets her period, I'll start using condoms again. I'll start going to church again. And thank God she got her period. And I was like, haha, God, I didn't say what kind of church. Church is chicken. It's scary when you don't, like, when you think you get a girl pregnant. Because, guys, we turn into school principals. We're like, hey, man, what the hell? You missed first and second period. What the fuck? But, yeah, guys, wear condoms, all right? Freaking do it. Or if you're on the, unless you're trying to have a baby, don't wear condoms. Because you don't need to wear condoms, all right? You freaking, you guys have your babies. All right, guys, peace out. Late.